So in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can paint an object over the sculpting window on a Blender workspace. So first let me open the Blender. Now this is the basic 3D model on which I've been working. First let me switch to the sculpting window. You can switch it from here only, and here on the left window you're going to find a lot of mask, or you can say the brushes over there. You need to scroll down until you find this option of paint over there, which looks something like this, the icon of a paint brush. Just simply tap over there, and from here you can select the color of the mask, or either from here or from here you can make changes to the colors of this mask as well. Now first let me make changes as per my convenience. Now for example, if I select the red, now the brush has been selected, and if I draw something over there, you can see it's drawing in the red. So you can draw anything over the model that you have been working. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials all in your way. See you in the next one. Take care.